Welcome guys, I am Purity Bonfree. You are watching Road Tori. Welcome to a sneak peek into the automotive future with the 2024 Toyota Prius, a car that redefines modern mobility. This is no ordinary vehicle, folks. It stands in a league of its own, boldly reshaping the landscape of the automotive industry with its cutting-edge features and innovative technology. Imagine a world where efficiency meets sophistication, where innovation drives sustainability. That's what the 2024 Toyota Prius brings to the table. Fasten your seatbelts as we dive deeper into what makes the 2024 Toyota Prius a game changer. The 2024 Toyota Prius is not just a car, it's a sustainability statement. This marvel of engineering boasts superior fuel efficiency that sets it apart from its contemporaries. At its heart is a hybrid engine, a symphony of petrol and electric power that works together to maximize mileage and minimize emissions. This isn't just about saving money at the pump, it's about making a conscious choice for the environment. The Prius's design also plays a significant role in its efficiency. Every curve, every line has been meticulously crafted to cut through the air with the least resistance, reducing drag and further boosting fuel economy. The car is also packed with eco-friendly features like regenerative braking that recaptures energy during deceleration and an eco mode that optimizes throttle response for greater efficiency. In essence, the 2024 Toyota Prius is a testament to the possibility of harmonizing performance with sustainability. The 2024 Toyota Prius does not compromise on efficiency, setting a new standard for eco-friendly transportation. Step inside the 2024 Toyota Prius, and you'll find a world of advanced technology. As you nestle into the driver's seat, you're greeted by a state-of-the-art infotainment system. This isn't your average dashboard, it's an interactive hub. The touchscreen display is not only responsive but intuitive, offering seamless navigation through a suite of apps and settings. Whether you prefer to tune into your favorite podcast or need guidance to your destination, the infotainment system has you covered. But the tech-savvy interiors of the 2024 Prius extend beyond entertainment. This car is designed with safety at its core. There's a comprehensive suite of safety features, with everything from blind spot monitoring to lane keeping assist. Should you drift from your lane, the car will gently guide you back. And with automatic emergency braking, the Prius is always ready to step in when necessary, providing an extra layer of protection. The comfort amenities are the icing on the cake. The climate control system ensures an optimal environment regardless of the weather outside. The heated seats are a welcome luxury on cold mornings, while the adaptive cruise control allows for relaxed, effortless driving on longer journeys. The 2024 Prius is more than a car. It's a mobile command center, bringing together the best of technology to enhance your driving experience. It's a testament to Toyota's commitment to innovation, merging function with comfort in a seamless blend of high-tech features. From safety to entertainment, the 2024 Toyota Prius ensures every ride is a tech-infused journey. A car isn't just about looks and technology, it's about performance. And the 2024 Toyota Prius delivers. This hybrid marvel is engineered to combine efficiency with driving power, offering a truly unique ride. The Prius accelerates smoothly, with its electric motor and gas engine working in perfect harmony to deliver a seamless driving experience. But it's not just about speed. The Prius has been carefully designed to provide superior handling, making it a joy to navigate through city streets or winding country roads. The responsive steering and well-tuned suspension ensure a smooth ride, whether you're on a long journey or just popping to the shops. And let's not forget reliability. Toyota's reputation for building durable vehicles continues with the 2024 Prius. This is a car that's built to last, with a robust engine and a track record of reliability that speaks for itself. The 2024 Toyota Prius, where performance meets reliability. The 2024 Toyota Prius is more than just a car, it's an experience. Delving into the world of efficiency, we've seen how this vehicle truly outshines its rivals. With fuel consumption that is nothing short of extraordinary, it's a testament to Toyota's relentless pursuit of innovation. But it doesn't stop at efficiency. The Prius is a tech lover's paradise. Its interiors are brimming with cutting-edge features that don't just add to the convenience, but redefine it. From the dashboard to the back seat, every inch is meticulously designed to cater to the modern, tech-savvy driver. The performance, too, is unparalleled. It's not just about getting from point A to point B anymore. The Prius makes the journey as thrilling as the destination. Its smooth handling and power-packed performance make every drive an adventure. In essence, the 2024 Toyota Prius is a holistic package. It's an epitome of efficiency, technology, and performance. With the 2024 Toyota Prius, you're not just driving a car, you're driving the future. For more videos, like, share, and subscribe to Road Tori.